So over the years, I've collected a bunch of microphones, and so far I've reviewed the Rode Pod mic, the Comica lavalier mic, and the Zoom H4n Pro, but there's still a few to go. If you're a vlogger and you want cheap, portable microphone solutions to attach to your camera with minimal fuss, then you might be considering this, the Comica V30 Lite. Right now, it's just over $40 US, but the question is it any good? Well, let's find out. My name is Dave Betts, and if you're new to this channel, I'm on a bit of a journey to learn as much about photography and videography as I can. Obviously, audio is vital for good video. This, the Comica V30 Lite, is about as cheap and cheerful as it gets. It's no Rode Videomic Pro Plus. If I could afford it, I would definitely go and buy that in a heartbeat, but I can't, and maybe you're in the same boat as me. So let's talk about this as an alternative option. So the V30 Lite can be mounted to a tripod or connected to the top of your camera, connecting through a 3.5mm audio jack. There's no battery or phantom power or anything like that, which is really great. And it can be used both with cameras and with smartphones, as long as your phone actually has a headphone slot. All you have to do is flick this little switch at the back from camera mode to phone mode. It's pretty easy. It comes with a basic windscreen and a shock mount as well. And all in all, I think it seems pretty good for the price, right? But the important question is, how does it sound? I'm gonna mount it onto my camera and then we'll do a few tests. So here we go. Okay, so this is the camera's inbuilt microphone. It probably doesn't sound very good, but at least it gives you a sense of something to compare it to. So this is the base level that we're trying to compare it to. Now I'm gonna plug in the Comica microphone and we'll see what the difference is like. At the moment, I've got the camera about 25 mils, the focus range, and I am about maybe a meter away from the microphone. So we'll see how it sounds with the Comica V30 Lite. 18mm focal range. Here's the test. I'm in full vlogger mode here. Imagine me walking around the streets of Venice with this microphone. Can you hear my voice okay? Is the audio okay, or is it terrible? Let's open the window, get some extra noise in here. Is that noise distracting or not? How much ambient noise can you hear? Is it okay? There's a busy road not too far away from us, so if you can't hear it too badly, that's a good thing. I'm just gonna pause for a sec so you can listen. What do you think? Could you hear that really clearly, that car going by? Let me know. Okay, we'll do a quick test from the tripod and then we'll give you a verdict. Okay, so we're at 25mm. The Rode is right in the shot here. Let me know what you think of this. Is this better? Is this an okay quality? We are about a meter away from the mic at this point, so let me know what you think. In fact, maybe we'll just do some processing right now. So here's a quick test with some processing. I'll add some EQ, add some compression, so try and take away some of the reverb in this room, which is really hard to do because it's a very echoey room. Does that help? Or maybe it doesn't help at all. Let me know what you think. I'm going to give you my verdict right now. I would say that considering the low price point, it's pretty good. It's not phenomenal by any means, but I feel like it performs at least above its price tag, which is a big plus. If you're making travel videos or recording on the fly, then the audio is maybe just about passable. But having said that, I don't think it's a long-term solution. Personally, I would still love to upgrade this when I get the chance. I would get a Rode Videomic in a heartbeat, like I said. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video in any way helpful, I would love it if you could like this video and subscribe for a lot more videos on photography and videography coming up. Whatever you're doing, have a fantastic day, and I'll speak to you very soon.